The Martin family has been making quality wood products for over 95 years now. Yes, we've had some great achievements, but today I want you to know there is more to come because I believe in our future. The leadership team of this company is committed to our success as an organization, and we're committed to your success as an individual. Our future depends on you. Each of you makes an impact in our success by your daily contributions to our world-class operations. Your commitment to safety and quality every day is what makes us who we are. Our future is bright because of you, each of you. Everyone's story is unique, but our futures are bound together with RoyOMartin threads. Let's make the most of it.
Most people that meet me today would have no idea that I started my career as a middle school teacher. When I came to RoyOMartin to work in human resources, some did not understand, and others thought I was crazy. But I was ready for a change and excited about the challenge. I wanted to help adults find good jobs and help them build great careers. All I needed was a chance to get started. I got my fresh start right here at RoyOMartin, and you can too. I believe in great starts. They say every journey begins with the first step. And when I started here, I really had no idea what kind of journey this would be. I'm so glad I made the decision to join RoyOMartin. Maybe it's your first start, or maybe it's your restart. Either way, we want to be the launching pad for your future. When you do well, we all do well.
I came to RoyOMartin with 20 years of industry experience under my belt. And over that time, I observed just how rare it was for a company to consistently recognize and develop the individual gifts of its team members. I wanted to be part of a culture that was different. One where folks knew that if they worked hard, there would be plenty of opportunities for them to grow. I found that right here at RoyOMartin. Even though I was hired into a management role, somebody believed that I was capable of it. I know firsthand how important that is. Because of that, it's easy for me to say, I believe in you. Of course, all of our journeys are different. We want to help you get the most out of yours. Our leadership team is more committed than ever to providing you with opportunities to grow and develop as a person and a team member. If we have the ability to be better, we have the responsibility to be better. And when you grow, we all grow.
I believe in you.
I believe in you.
I believe in you.
I believe in you.
As you can see, we're making a lot of fresh commitments from our leadership team. And these aren't just slogans. These are declarations. And let me add one. I believe in leadership. I want you to know how important you are to this organization and that I understand how important the right kind of leadership is to you. We are committed more than ever to providing you with leadership that respects you, listens to you, and believes in you. When our leadership is better, we're all better.
Every decision we make is guided by some very basic principles. I believe in our values. For several years, we've expressed these values through the simple acrostic outline, R.I.C.H.E.S. R is for respect for each other as human beings uniquely created by God. I is for integrity in what we do and say we will do regardless of the cost, legally and ethically. C is for commitment to our business, our employees, our customers, and to each other. H is for honesty in our interactions with our fellow employees, our supervisors, our customers, our vendors, and our families. E is for excellence in safety, product quality, employee training and development, and process improvements. And S is for stewardship of our land, timber, and plant assets. With these clear values as our guide, we commit to continue working together to build a great company that, with God's help, can be a vital part of each of our own unique stories.